Flowers are the music of the ground, from the earth's lips spoken without a sound. I like this quote. Assalamu alaikum everyone, I am Alia and you're watching The Epic Crafter. Today we will have our take on miniature crochet for pure beginners. We are making a very simple clematis, so without further ado, let's get started. You can pick any color for the base, however I am choosing a yellow color. We are starting by chaining 4 and slip stitch in the last chain to form a circle. So to begin this row, we are going to be starting off by making a single crochet in the circle and chaining 5 and doing a single crochet again, and similarly follow the pattern to chain 5 and single crochet in the circle for a total of 5 because we already crocheted 1. This will make the petal base for your petals. Now we have reached the last one, so just do a slip stitch in the next petal space and you are done. Here comes the fun part. We are already done with the base. We are going to start off with the petals. So I am choosing a pink color here. Now we are going to start off by making the petals of the flowers. It's very simple. First we are going to start off by making a single crochet in the space. This will be a little tough for me because it's a new color. And you can follow any technique you follow to change the color. Now do a 6 double crochet in the space, and double crochet is nothing but yarn over once and then pull through 2 loops and again through 2 loops. Now chain 1 and do 1 treble crochet. 1 treble crochet is nothing but yarn over twice and pulling through 2 loops at a time. Now do 6 double crochet. Now finish off the first petal by making a single crochet in the same space. 5 more petals to go. So we're going to be continuing the pattern of 1 single crochet, 6 double crochet, chain 1, 1 treble crochet, 6 double crochet and 1 single crochet for all the petals. Since the petals are only the thing that is left, now you can follow along with me to see if you can understand the pattern really well. After the last single crochet, we are going to make a slip stitch in the first single crochet of the first petal, and we are done. Our clematis is almost ready. Just have to weave in the ends and it's all done. To make it even more attractive, I am attaching a bead here, but it's totally optional and you can skip this part. Here's a breakthrough of how I did it. I've simply tied in the ends. And here we are. It's all done. Our clematis is almost ready. I really love the flower rose. What's your favorite flower? Let me know in the comment section down below and get a chance to get featured in our miniature crochet series. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll meet you with a lot more. Until next time, keep crocheting.